Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this travel bag set. Now this actually has 3 separate bags. You've got a large, medium, and small size. Now, these aren't just normal bags because it actually comes with this little suction thing here that will then compress the bags down. So whenever you're packing, say you've got these big sweaters because it's winter time, instead of it taking up the entire suitcase, you can just put it into a bag. You get it opened up. It does have a double seal on here, so that is really nice that it has that extra seal. Then you can simply just take your sweaters, put them inside the bag, and seal them up. Now to seal them, you don't have to sit there and keep pinching it. You can just use this nice little tool that they give you. And they give you a bunch of them just because, you know, they are small. You don't want to lose those things. But it has your max fill line, so you know how big to actually fill up your thing. That way it's not too much. You take your little sealer, you stick it on there, and then it just glides right across and seals it for you, so you don't have to sit there and struggle with pinching it the whole way across. Then once you have that done, they each have their own little lid that goes on the top here, and then we open that up. Take our little 60 kPa charger here. It just charges right in. On the end of this, it's really neat because it actually has a converter for a USB and a USB-C. So depending on how you need to get it working, it's got that nice converter in there. And then it also has a charger here if you needed to use it like as a phone charger or anything like that. So we're just gonna line this up. All right, so now this thing is all done. And I mean, that suctioned them down really good. And then just for extra, you can put this back on there and make sure that it is not going to leak anywhere. Then this massive amount of stuff can easily just stick in there. So one sweater is about the size of 2 now. That is really nice. And with this big variety of different sizes, this would be great for traveling, putting up different clothes, quilts, you name it. This will condense them down super quick with this nice handy tool.